Hi, hope you are safe and healthy. So, we are currently in a situation of lockdown, and yes, we have more time now. We have more access to digital platforms now, and yes, we can have more attention of people also now. So, we can definitely grow faster if you're going to use this opportunity in the right way. So, a quick action takers will get the fastest result. So, we'll give you an outline on what exactly you have to do, how, if you work, you will reach your titles faster. So, be ready with a diary and pen. As a new beginner, you are in 0 percentage. Everyone starts with 0. Every successful journey starts with 0. So just listen carefully to what I say now. So easily by following this, you can definitely do within 1 or 2 days. You can climb the first step in success plan. If you focus, if you have a strong focus in 1 or 2 days, you can do it. So I'll teach you on how to climb the first step in success plan. So, getting started session is an important investment in a consultant career. So, when you recruit new people, you have to ensure that they learn these steps to climb the first step in success plan. So, I'll show you a success plan. Without success plan, you can't do anything in this business here. So, I hope you all joined here only for your dreams. So, what's your ambition? What's your goal? Which made you to take a decision to join this business today? So just make it clear about your dream, whatever it may be. It may be a short term goal or a long term goal. Just make a note of it in your diary. Something there should be an aim in this business, right? So if there is no aim, then it's difficult to grow here. So, what is your goal? What is your dream? So, mention your goal. Write down your dream, maybe a specified target for your next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So it should be most important one. What's your most important or urgent need which made you to take an important decision to join this business now? So be more specific, like I want to buy 3 bedroom flat or I want to buy gray Kia car. So just be more specific on your dream. So, what's your specific, most important, or urgent goal? Write in your diary right now. Okay, so just write it down, your dream, your more specific dream, whatever it may be. So, that is where you will get the goal to reach your success. That will make you overcome all the challenges. So, it will make you, your dream will make you to be more focused. Sometimes there might be a situations like you may not have money, you may not have time, you may not get family support. So all these are very common for every woman. But what makes you to overcome all these challenges? It's your why, your strong why, your dream. So if your why is strong, you will find way for your challenges. If your why is weak, you will quit your dreams or career. So do you agree with this? If you have a strong why, you will find a way for your challenges. If you have weaker why, you will quit all your dreams. So ask yourself, how much strong is your dream? How much percentage your dream is more important in your life to achieve whatever you are in need of? Ask yourself how much you prioritize your dream. Your dream should be like, it should wake you up every day. It should remind you about everything in your career. It should tell like, did you give time for your business today? Today there is a meeting. Are you ready for it? So many questions. It should be like a boss. Your dream should definitely drive you to work. So you make a note of a dream which drive you to work here. So here is the success plan. Hope you have watched the opportunity outline, because any consultant joining us, the very first step to enter this business is to attend the OOM, Oriflame Opportunity Meeting, or online opportunity meeting. It may be a presentation or a live webinar or a short recordings, whatever it may be. The first step is you should have watched that presentation or attended that meeting. Okay, so see to that you have attended that OOM. The next step is getting started. It's the onboarding steps. So the main aim of getting started is to ensure that the new person gets the confidence to get started with this business. Okay. Basic formula. We apply a basic formula here in this business, mainly on business volume. business volume equals sales force into productivity. So, be it any business, anything, any business in this world, whether you start a boutique or a hotel, anything, it is based on the people and the product. Anywhere, any business in the world, it's based on these two factors. Business, it involves product and people. So here this success plan we have, it's this success plan is a road to success in Oriflame, and you can see at the right there are nearly 24 steps from zero to diamond president director. So these 24 steps covers the road to success in Oriflame. Now you are in a zeroth level, but don't worry, everyone starts with zero as I already told you. So, hope you have written your dream in your diary. So, now see which level you want to reach to earn the desired income. So, up to senior manager level, you can earn up to nearly 35 to 50k per month. And starting from director level, you will be eligible for 50,000 income per month, and senior director 75,000 income. So, what's your dream? Just relate your dream with this income, with the success plan. Connect your dream income with the success plan. So your dream, if you have a dream to travel around the world, so we have conferences that allows even from a SM, it's possible. If you're becoming a senior manager, from that level onwards, you will be qualified for some traveling for some conferences. So just correlate your dream with the success plan. Now I'll show you a way in 1 year how to reach a goal director level if you work dedicatively. Okay. So are you ready to learn? Are you ready to work for it? 1 year plan for becoming a goal director. It's a 10 step in the success plan which gives nearly 1 lakh income per month. So from beginning itself we will give you a work plan on how to work for this 1 lakh income. Okay. So if you plan for this 1 lakh income, at least you can manage for your senior director, which goes around 75,000 income. So just make it a plan that in this 2021, your destination for reaching your destination should be this goal director title with 1 lakh income. Okay. So until now, I have made you to write your dream. I have shown you the success plan. I have shown you the level in the success plan called a goal director title. So it's a 10th step you can see here with the 1 lakh income. So we have many goal directors in our team as well. Okay, it's not for the just for the success plan I'm showing you. We have our own leaders in our team who have become a goal directors. So we will give you the plan to work it accordingly, which should work for you as well. Okay. So how to do it? How to earn this 1 lakh income per month? So when you follow exactly the steps given by your leaders, you will achieve it. So there is something like somebody who have already laid a road for you. They have created a roadmap for you to be successful in this journey. So you want to reach a destination, but you don't know how to drive, means it's a waste, right? So you want to reach a place, you should know to drive. If you don't have any interest, or if you don't have any time, if you give so many excuses, if you don't take actions to do it, then it's a total waste for your plan. Okay. So plan everything accordingly. So Oriflame success plan is your roadmap or the system. Our network, our leaders, we guide you with the support and trainings to learn to drive for your destination. Okay. So we will give you a roadmap to travel in full speed. Just imagine the Oriflame is the vehicle for your dreams. Now it is your choice whether I'm going to start a vehicle, start a bullock cart, or you're going to start today or start tomorrow or then the next 6 months. Everything is decided by you. Okay. So coming here to reach the first step in success plan. The first step you can see it is the 3% consultant level. It's a brand partner, 3% brand partner. So this will take you the first step to success here. Okay. So remember the formula. Here the business volume formula is the sales force into productivity. So how to increase the sales force? How to increase the productivity? So sales force and productivity for a 3% is nearly you need 200 points. If you have a catalog with you, just make a reference with that. Okay, so next we'll see about the catalog. 200 points is the first step for the 3%er. So coming to the catalog is the room to success. If success plan is a room full of treasure, just imagine this catalog is a key to open the room and success plan. So any business, the products are the key to success. Without products, there will not be any business or a job. Okay. So you should be very confident about the business first. So there are people who comes to us, they see the benefits of this opportunity first and then join for the products. And there are people who see the products first and then see the business. Because personally, I came in for a product, and after knowing about this opportunity, I just took it. So that's how there are people who joining us with. So at the end of the day, the products are the key to success here. Fine. So every month we have catalog, we have new products, offers, discounts. So the catalog is used to increase the productivity. So we can create, with the help of catalog, we can create many self users or sellers or business builders. So if they have any skin or hair related issues, they can be a self user with us. If they have wide range of customer base, they can go for selling. Or if they are in need of some monthly income, you can go for business builder category. So in the catalog you can see so many categories. Here I'm just showing you a clipping, but if you have a catalog with you, you can just refer with that. So the categories, we have various in the catalog we have various categories, right from offers, makeup section, most wanted category, wellness section, fragrances, hand care, personal care for hygiene, skin care, baby care, men care, and daily essential needs for people, etc. So we have so many thousands of products with us. So look at the, when it comes to our product standards, our products are animal friendly, eco friendly, Swedish quality products as it's from Sweden, and these are nature inspired innovative products. Okay, so in the catalog you can see the dream deal, so many offers. You will get the qualified products at nearly 40 percentage discount. There are other discounts as well. And coming to our hero product is one of a prime product in the catalog. It's wellness. Wellness is the most important need of the hour. So mainly because in this COVID situation, it is mainly important need of the hour. It, what is this wellness? Wellness is a dietary supplement. It because we believe that food is the base of our health, right? So the additional supplements is much needed. So, why supplements are needed? Supplements are useful for filling the gaps in your daily diet. So, if your diet doesn't include a lot of fatty fishes, proteins, then essential fibers, it can be difficult to get enough of these vital nutrients needed to maintain a good health just by your normal daily diets. So, additionally, some nutrients are difficult to obtain through diet alone. Hence, supplementation can fill in these gaps and ensure you're getting the right nutrients you need, and it can also enhance your diet by providing beneficial compounds such as antioxidants that you may not be found in your regular diet. So, in that case, these supplements will definitely help it will be helpful for you to eradicate all the nutrient deficiency in your body. Okay, so coming to wellness, we have three main nutrients. Basically, starting from protein and fiber blended supplement, we have omega 3 and antioxidant. So, the three most important for a healthy cell development at this present situation. So, you can attend our wellness session to learn about these in detail. So, we will have sessions on, especially on wellness, on our hero products, to make you understand the benefits of using the wellness. Okay, so it is known as a health set. Our wellness is known as a health set, and here you can compare the price. The normal health set, according to the MRP, it would be costing around 4698. Since you are registered brand partner, once after registration you will be getting 20% discount on all the products, and we have NutriShake and Omega 3 as a health set. We have 4 flavors in NutriShake, starting from vanilla, strawberry, mango, banana, and chocolate. So here I'll just show you a comparison. Like this is a newer ID. After adding products in the catalog, you can just see here. So soon after registration, once your id to make your id active, you need to do initial order. So you have to complete your 16th onboarding steps. So on your website you can just see, soon after completing your terms and conditions, you will be having a 16th onboarding steps to be completed. So just go through and complete it. It's much needed for a new brand partner to join us. Okay, so we have so many offers also. You can just go through the catalog for other offers. You can just start with health set. I'm not forcing anyone, but I'm just recommending to start with the health set. Or if you whatever products you are in need of, as I told you, we have 1,000+ products with us. You can start with any products like daily essentials, makeup, cosmetics, fragrances. You can start with anything, but just for example, I'll just tell you to start with health set. Okay, we have home care products as well. So first you have to learn to use the product to increase the productivity. Then only you can help your team members to do that, or you will be feeling confident to recommend the products to others. So just activate your id with your first order. So here you can see the difference. The mrp is 4,698. For you can complete this 100 bp at one shot, or you can see here, once after registration, when you add the same product in the cart, the price is with 20% discount, 20 to 23% discount. So this is how you will be getting every product at 20% discount when you add in the cart. Okay, so here we don't charge any membership fee, no registration fee. Any product you purchase, you will get a 20% discount. So attend all our product trainings. The very simple step is you personally use one wellness and recommend one wellness to others. So you can easily reach your 3%. Just use wellness and recommend one wellness. So that's easily you can start with, or you can go in with starting from daily essentials like toothpaste, soap, etc. also. So you can just see in the catalog, you will be having an MRP price and a product code along with the product, and points, the business points, 100 bp, 10 bp, like that. So points are your productivity here. So now to get your 200 bp for reaching the 3%, which is easier, just compare. Okay, so here I want to show you, just compare for reaching 100 bp, which mode would be faster for you. Is it to go with ordering a 50 toothpaste or 100 soaps to complete your 100 bp would be beneficial, or to directly go with one wellness set? So which gives more business volume? You can just compare. For example, if you are a boutique owner, how you would be increasing your productivity? You would be going in for selling 5 silk saree at one shot to see a profit, or you would be sitting and selling 100 normal type sarees to reach that profit. So the decision is yours, right? You should be a smart business person here. Just think smartly. We have to learn more about the products first, and then using our trainings, you can feel more confident to recommend the products to others. If there are nearly 10 people attending a session, there are chances that around 5 to 6 people getting a wellness, or remaining you can tell them to start with the other products, the daily essentials. So it depends. You have to use, you should feel the difference, and then you can recommend to others. For example, in a class, a teacher will teach same for all the 50 people. She may not decide like only for the top rankers you should teach something new, and for others you should teach something else. No, it's not like that, right? A teacher in a class will teach the same for all the 50 people, but not everyone will fail and not everyone will score high marks. It depends according to their efficiency, right? So you should try to learn for working to do 100 bp. So learn to do 100 bp. Ask your leaders, attend the trainings, implement the trainings. So that's how you can work for reaching 100 bp. Okay. So how to invite more people now? Meetings makes money here. Trainings are mandatory. Invite people for the online presentation or live webinars or for recordings. So how to increase the sales force? How to bring more people into meeting? Imagine you're gonna start a business. You're gonna start any boutique or parlor, any business it may be. Will you invite all your families and friends for the function or opening ceremony? You will do it, right? I'll send invitation to all my known contacts first. Imagine if none of your friends attend your opening function. Will you close your business and go? No, right? Because we are not dependent on them. Because we know no business grows with known contacts, but it may start from known contacts. Just know the difference. No business will grow with known contacts, but it may start from known contacts. You can just give a try starting from a known contacts. You just start with name banking. What is name banking? Your leader will guide more on name banking, but in short, I'll tell you what is name banking is. Just take your mobile, write down all known contacts from your mobile in your diary. Don't prejudge the people. Like she's already into a business, she's already have a career, she's a homemaker, she's a mom, she's a student. Don't prejudge people. You just select five easiest people from the contacts whom you're much comfortable with, a more well wisher kind of, your sister, your cousins, your close friend. Just tell them, invite them. Just tell like, hey, hi, I have to invite five people for the next session. I want five people now. Just come and sit and just try to attend it. So luckily, if they get inspired, it's good. If not, it's okay. Just send catalog and ask for your first purchase. Like sentimentally, you can ask like, I wish to start from your hand. Get some products from me. I'll give you a 20% discount. So expect only just 5 to 10 percentage of result after they watch the presentation. Okay, don't predict like, don't be in a hurry like people, all the people who are attending the session will accept, will turn up. So don't have that expectations. Around 5 to 10 percentage will be fine. Okay, just tell them okay fine, if you don't have any interest, it's totally fine. Just attend one more session wellness. If you attend one wellness session, I will give you a free access for my next skincare session or a makeup session. I'll give you a free access. Okay, so just make people to attend the sessions. If they are not interested, that's fine. You don't want to start, it's okay. But do you know anybody who wants this, who wants to launch their career, who have some skin related, hair related issues? So if you know someone like that, if you give me 5 referrals, I'll give you a gift. So maybe something like a face wash or a scrub. So just give them a gift. Ask them for a referral. If you give me 5 referrals, I'll give you a gift. So this is how you have to start. Don't get opinions from anybody. If you want success, listen to your leaders. Follow successful people here to see your success. Because end of the day, you're gonna show your people that you are successful here. Okay. So now I'll show you a sample script on how you can communicate with a person to make her attend a session. Okay. For example, there is a person called Shruti. So maybe your friend. How you can approach her? Can start the conversation like, hi Shruti, how are you? I'm really excited that I have started my home based business. So I'm looking forward for one small help from you. I know you are my well wisher. So will you do that one favor for me? So when you ask like this, definitely there would be some positive response from her. What is that? What do you want? Like that. So you can tell like, of course she is a well wisher, right? She will do it for you. So if I invite you to attend an online webinar presentation, will you come and watch it for me and give me your ideas for me to grow in this business? Will you do that, Shruti? So if you ask, you may get some response from her, right? So thank you so much for your love and care. So tomorrow morning 11 a.m. we have an English session. Evening 7 p.m. also we have a session. So which time would be convenient for you? You ask her the time. And if whatever is comfortable, I'll give you a link to access. So just download the Zoom app and give me your ideas because I want to grow faster here. So just start a conversation like that. If possible, just invite your sister or 5 of your other friends to attend with you. So now Shruti will select the time and she will attend the session. Okay. So now after attending the session, there are few possibilities. So what are they? Either Shruti may want she may watch the presentation and give you ideas, or she may herself want to join the business, or she may refer someone, or she may give some negative feedback too. Yes, some negative feedback. We don't want to hear any failure stories here. We want to be more positive. You are here cause positive with positive, like-minded people. So only a successful leader will show you a right path, right? So yes, of course, I agree. Any business there may be mistakes, but that doesn't matter. They fail maybe because that they fail maybe because they don't have a right mentor, or they might have not taken right actions. So there might be some mistakes. Doesn't mean that if someone is attending an exam, if that person is failing, doesn't mean that the total examination mode is wrong. Okay, if someone is failing, the failure is because of them only. They fail because they may have done some mistakes, but you can just tell like I'm in a good guidance, so we have successful team, so don't worry Shruti, I'll take it. Just close the conversation just like that. If you have some negative feedback, don't worry to start with your dream. Invite at least 10 people from your contacts. In that one at least one will be converted. So if that doesn't happen, go to the next set of 10 people. Keep learning. It will take definitely it will take 90 days at least to master this business. So be patient enough. Every day keep working. Use the digital platform effectively for recruitment. From the known contacts, if you feel it is very difficult, you can make use of social media. We will give you trainings. So make use of the social media trainings for recruitment. So I hope you're clear with the basic formulas and how you can easily reach your first step in success ladder. So plan it accordingly. Make a call for action to do a massive recruitment. Invite invite people for this opportunity. That's how you can grow here. Thank you.